Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I want to show you what you can do for your customers, and if you do this, they will really love you. And what that thing is to clean their equipment before it leaves the shop, especially if it's dirty like this one. Look at the engine on this one. You can barely recognize what brand it is. I'll give you a look around on this machine here before I power wash it, and then you will see the aftermath of it being washed. So what I do first is I grab my blowgun and I reach in and blow out any leaves or dirt that is in there. It makes it easier when you pressure wash it. And next what I do is I spray it with a good degreaser and I let it sit on the machine for about 5 minutes. Next, what I do is fire up the pressure washer. And here it is, guys. It's all cleaned up. It looks like a new machine. The customer probably won't even recognize his machine. I've actually had that happen in the past. And I cleaned the engine as well. You can tell what it is. It's actually a Briggs & Stratton engine, 16.5 horsepower. The inside of the hood is a little stained, but the outside is perfect. So all the equipment that leaves my shop, guys, is all power washed. And remember, guys, if you do this for your customers, they will love you. Have a great day.